everyone and welcome. Okay, I'm doing a really fun technique today. I'm actually set up on my bathroom floor because the canvas is much bigger than what I normally do. It's a 40 by 50 centimeters, which is 16 by 20 inches. Okay, and I'm gonna do this technique that I like to call flick and spin. I'm channeling my inner Callan Shaw here. Yeah, so I've had to set up on the bathroom floor. I've got everything covered in tarpaulin, and yeah, this makes a little bit of a mess, but it's so much fun. Right, okay, so I've got the base paints are, I think it's a Art Creation White. It's a Taylor's product, so the same guys who make Amsterdam paint. And I'll put all the recipes and consistencies and whatnot in the description below, so have a peek if you want. Okay, there's a white, and the other one I have, I don't know why I closed it because I'm gonna need some more. Oh well, that would be a Winsor & Newton Galleria Payne's Grey. I like that Payne's Grey because it's got a really nice bluish tint to it. Okie doke. So there's the base paint. Then I have some colors that I already mixed maybe a week ago. This one's some bronze, so I'm just gonna pour just a little puddle there. And then I have some silver. Again, I'll put the recipes into the description. And some deep gold. Just a little bit of that just there. And then, to give it some real nice contrast, I've got phthalo blue. Let's just pop that right there. And last but not least, a pearl blue. And all of these are Amsterdam. I've used slightly different pouring mediums in each of these for various reasons. I was testing some stuff out. So right, here we go. That's all the paints laid down. Just gonna quickly torch it, although I will have to do that very thoroughly later on as well. And then we're just gonna flick. This is so much fun. Right, let's go. Whoa, yeah, the paint goes everywhere, hence the tarp is a very good idea here. But look at how pretty those effects are that are coming up. Wow, I love that. I absolutely adore that. But I'd like to get some more effects going there. That blue just there is absolutely gorgeous. Let's just do, yeah, let's do the same again. So some bronze right there. Don't want the paint to run out this time, hopefully. Some silver, deep gold. Really don't need an awful lot of this. It goes a very, very long way. Oh, there's some beautiful cells happening just there. Can't wait to show you close up once this is done. I love trying, you know, all sorts of different techniques, and this is probably one of the most fun I've ever done. Right, so let's just go again. A bit more subdued there with the flicking. And just there. Do you know what? I think we're gonna need just one more go. Whoa, that's a lot of paint. Oh well. Try and layer them identically each time. Not much of the deep gold left, just there. Phew, I'm glad I've got enough of these already mixed up. Phthalo blue, that is such a pretty color, absolutely gorgeous. And I can see the pearl sort of working its magic over here already. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Sometimes you just cannot wait to see these works dry, because they can really come to their own. Right, oh wow, look at those cells happening there. Okay, right, just gonna pause the video for just a second while I put all my pots of paint away, get everything out of the way and ready for some spinning. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. Right, all I've done in the meanwhile is, like I said, tidied away my pots of paint so they don't get covered in any more paint than they already are. And I've added some more base paint just here. So now let's just go for a spin. Oh, this is just too much like fun. And I'm trying to go fairly gentle, because when I tried this the other day on a smaller canvas, oh, sorry, I still laugh at the memory of it. I sort of whacked the canvas around really fast, and oh, I just couldn't quite believe how fast it moved. I think it was sort of perhaps my perception of how much paint there really was on the canvas was slightly flawed, because like I said, I haven't really worked on anything quite this big before, and I'm in love. I am in love with doing larger pieces like this. It's just so much fun. You know, grow up. Don't make it, you're grown up now, don't make a mess anymore, and then you get to do this, and oh, it's like being a kid again, and it's fantastic. I love that design. It is so pretty. Look at what's happening here. Those paints are really reacting so nicely. So all I'm gonna have a look at now is my edges. I need these to be covered. I'm going to add just a little bit more of the Payne's Grey. I have a spoon. Never mind. Let's just use this scoop here. Okay. And while I've got you, let me know what you think in the comments, because like I said, I'm just having ridiculous amounts of fun, and I'd love to hear what you think of this technique and the painting itself. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. That would really help me in growing my channel. And yeah, hit the notification bell to see what I get up to next. Okay, we're almost done covering the sides there. Just a super quick tidy up. You know, working in a non-dedicated space has its challenges, I've got to say. Constantly sort of making sure that you don't spread the mess absolutely everywhere. But, you know, still so much fun. Okay, couple more spins, I think. Try and spread out the design just a little bit more, but I am absolutely in love with all this negative space. I'm a big fan of negative space myself, because it really makes the main design stand out and, you know, just look absolutely fantastic. And I'm in love with this dual color base as well. What do you think? Do you like using negative space in your paintings, or do you prefer the whole canvas or whatever your surface is to be covered in the design? I think both are nice, but you know, I really have a soft spot for negative space. I'm just gonna see if I can remove some of those spots of paint, because they kind of look like they don't belong there. So yeah, I'm happier with that now. I love these sort of tentacle looking things coming out as well. Oh boy, am I having fun here. Right, so the spinning, yeah, I wanted to mention two things why it's a good idea. First is spreading out the design nicely without stretching it, because I really liked what was happening here in this sort of step-by-step fashion. So I didn't want to stretch it and ruin that by tilting, because that's when the design would really suffer. And this kind of, the spinning just sort of opens it up quite nicely without ruining the design, and also it gets rid of excess paint, so drying won't be a problem then. Okay, right, now I'm just going to give this, oh, I love it, sorry, getting so excited. The design is just, I am in love with this. So yeah, let's go one more spin and then I will stop. Okay. I'm scared of grabbing the handle, although I taped the canvas from underneath, taped it in place. It shouldn't go anywhere, but I really don't want to wreck this at this stage. Right, the design is done. What I'll do is I'll pop it into another nearby sort of like an underbed box that I have, and I've already balanced it out, used my spirit level, and there I can cover it to minimize airflow and to also make sure no, you know, bits of fluff or anything fly on the painting as it's drying. So yeah, I will just torch the air bubbles out, put my paints away, move this canvas, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, here we are. I just can't tell you how much I'm in love with this. It is so gorgeous. I mean, look at those cells. Oh, would that even be called lacing even? That blue and the deep gold, oh my goodness. It's just, oh, stunning. Let me put the flash on so you can get an idea of the metallics. Ah! I can't stand it. Oh, honestly, that is so cool. But yeah, let me know what you think, and thanks ever so much for being here. Bye for now.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna